લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે બાયનોમિયલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન એનો ટાઈપ 4 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 5 ફાઇન્ડ પેરામીટર્સ ઓફ બાયનોમિયલ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન ફ્રોમ પ્રોબેબિલિટી. Here two probability are given. On the basis of this you will get two equations. Solve two equations and get value of P and Q. N is given in this type. Okay, two equations are given. Solve two equations, get value of P and Q. N is given in this type. Now first example of type 1. For a binomial distribution with n is equal to 5, n is given, n is equal to 5. Here one relation is given, P of x is equal to 4 is equal to P of x is equal to 3. We have to find out value of P and value of P of x lesser than or greater than 2. Now first probability function, P of x is equal to ncx, P raised to x, Q raised to n minus x. P of 4 is given, P of x is equal to 4, n is equal to given 5, 5c4, P we have to find out, Q we have to find out, P raised to 4, x is equal to 4, Q is equal to 5 minus 4, that is 1. P of 5, 5c5, P raised to 5, Q raised to 0. 5c4 is equal to 5, P raised to 4, Q raised to 1, that is Q. 5c5 is equal to 1, P raised to 5 is equal to P raised to 5. Q raised to 0 is also equal to 1. Now put value in given relation. Here 3 not 5. 5c3, 5 raised to 3, Q raised to 5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay, 5c3, that is 10, P raised to 3, Q raised to 2. Now relation, P of x is equal to 4 is equal to P of x is equal to 3. P of x is equal to 4, P 5, P raised to 4, Q. P of x is equal to 3, 10, P raised to 3, Q raised to 2. So P ની higher power છે P raised to 4, lower power છે P raised to 3, એટલે divide થશે 10 divided by 5. Q નો higher power છે 2, સામેની સાઈડ છે Q. So P is equal to 1 by 2 Q. 2 સામેની સાઈડ જશે એટલે કે 2P is equal to Q. We know that P is equal to 1 minus Q, 2 multiplied by 1 minus Q is equal to Q, 2Q, 2 minus 2Q is equal to Q, 2 is equal to Q plus 2Q, 2 is equal to 3Q, so Q is equal to 2 by 3. P is equal to 1 minus Q, 1 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So P is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to find out P of x greater than 2. P of x greater than 2. That is P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5. First of all, probability function. P of x is equal to ncx, P raised to x, Q raised to n minus x. P of 3 is equal to n is equal to 5c3, P is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 3, Q is equal to 2 by 3 raised to 2. 5c3 10, 1 by 27, 4 by 9. 40 by 27 multiplied by 9, that is 243. P of 4, 5C4, 1 by 3 raised to 4, 2 by 3 raised to 0. 5C4, 5, 1 upon 81, 1 upon, here 1 upon 3, 2 by 3. 10 divided by 2, 4, 3. And 5C5, P of 5, 5C5, 1 by 3 raised to 5, 2 by 3 raised to 0. 1 by 2, 4, 3, 1. 1 upon 2, 4, 3 is equal to 40 upon 2, 4, 3, 10 upon 2, 4, 3, 1 upon 2, 4, 3, 51 upon 2, 4, 3. So 17 divided by 81. This is your answer, 17 divided by 81. Next, example number 2. For a binomial distribution n is equal to 7, 3p of x is equal to 4 is equal to x, p of x is equal to 3, find parameters. N is given 7. Relation is given 3, p of x is equal to 4 is equal to p of x is equal to 3. Probability function p of x is equal to ncx, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. Now, first p of 4 is given 7c4, p raised to 4, q raised to 7 minus 4. 7c4, that is 7c3. 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 6, 35. P raised to 4, q raised to 3. P of 3, 7c3, p raised to 3, q raised to 7 minus 3. 7c3 is also 35, p raised to 3, q raised to 4. Now put the value in relation. 3 p of x is equal to 4 is equal to p of x is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 35, p raised to 4, q raised to 3. 35, p raised to 3, q raised to 4. 105, p raised to 4, q raised to 3 is equal to 35, p raised to 3, q raised to 4. 105 divided by 35, p raised to 4 divided by p raised to 3 સામેની સાઈડ આવશે તો ડિવાઈડ થશે. q raised to 4, q raised to 3 સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો ડિવાઈડ થશે. 105 divided by 35, that is 3, p is equal to q. We know that q is equal to 1 minus p, 3p, 1 minus p, 3p plus p is equal to 1, 4p is equal to 1, so p is equal to 1 by 4. Q is equal to 1 minus p, 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Q is equal to 3 by 4. Now we have to find out parameters only p and q, that is 1 by 4, 3 by 4 or else 0.25, 0.75. Next example, example number 3. For a binomial distribution n is equal to 9, 5 p of x is equal to 2 is equal to 2 p of x is equal to 4. Find p of x lesser than or equal to 3. N is equal to 8. 5 p of x is equal to 2 is equal to 2 p of x is equal to 4. P of x is equal to ncx, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. First p of 2, n is equal to 8, 8c2, p raised to 2, q raised to 8 minus 2, 8c2, 8 multiplied by 7 divided by 2, 28. 28 is equal to p square, q raised to 6. P of 4, 8C4 P raised to 2 Q raised to 8 minus 4. 8C4, 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 by 4 by 3 by 2, 70. P raised to P raised to 4, not 2. Q raised to also 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now put the relation. 5 P of x is equal to 2 is equal to 2 P of x is equal to 4. 5 multiplied by 28 P raised to 2 Q raised to 6. 2 multiplied by 70 P raised to 4 Q raised to 4. So 5 multiplied by 28 divided by 2 multiplied by 70 Q raised to 6 divided by Q raised to 4. P raised to 4 divided by P raised to 2. 5 multiplied by 28 divided by 2 divided by 70. That is 1. 1 Q raised to 2 is equal to P raised to 2. So take root both side, square root both side. So Q is equal to P. So Q is equal to P is equal to 1 by 2. કારણ કે Q અને P બે સરખા છે. Now we have to find out P of x lesser than or equal to 3. P of x lesser than or equal to 3. That is P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 plus P of 3. Here P and Q are equal, so NCX P raised to n. First P of 0, 8C0 1 by 2 raised to 8. P of 1 8C1 1 by 2 raised to 8. P of 2 8C2 1 by 2 raised to 8. And P of 3 8C3 1 by 2 raised to 8. So 8C0 1 by 2 raised to 8, 256, 1 by 256. 8C1 that is 8, 1 by 256, 8 by 256. 8C2, 8 multiplied by 7 by 2, that is 28. 28 1 upon 256, 28 upon 256. 8C3, 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 by 6, 56, 1 upon 256, 56 by 256. So 1 upon 256 plus 8 upon 256, 28 upon 256, 56 upon 256. 1 plus 8 plus 28 plus 56, 93 upon 256. This is your answer, 93 upon 256. Next, example number 4. This is same as example number 3. So, homework ma rehse. Next, example number 5. N is equal to 6, P of 2 is to P of 3 is equal to 4 is to 3. Find P. So, P of 2 divided by P of 3 is equal to 4 by 3. First we have to find out probability function. NCX P raised to x Q raised to n minus x. P of 2, 6C2. P raised to 2 Q raised to 6 minus 2, that is 4. 6 multiplied by 5 by 2, that is 15. 15 P raised to 2 Q raised to 4. P of 3 6C3 P raised to 3 Q raised to 6 minus 3, that is 3. 6 5 4 divided by 6, 20. P raised to 3 Q raised to 3. Now put the equation in given relation. P by 2 is equal divided by P by 3 is equal to 4 divided by 3. 15 p raised to 2 q raised to 4 divided by 20 p raised to 3 q raised to 3 is equal to 4 by 3. So q raised to 4 divided by q raised to 3 is equal to 4 multiplied by 20 multiplied by p raised to 3 upon 15 multiplied by p raised to 2. Q is equal to 4 multiplied by 20 divided by 15. 4 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 20, that is 80. 15 multiplied by 3, that is 45, is equal to P. So Q is equal to 80 divided by 5, that is 16, 9 P. 9 सामने साइड जासे 9Q is equal to 16P. 9 1 minus P is equal to 16P. 9 minus 9P is equal to 16P. 9 is equal to 25P. So P is equal to 9 divided by 25. This is your answer. Next, example number 6. In a binomial distribution, n is equal to 5, p of x is equal to 0.2843, p of x is equal to 3 is equal to 0.7105. Find value of p. N is equal to 5. P of x is equal to ncx, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. P of x is equal to 2, 5c2, p raised to 2, q raised to 3. P of x is equal to 2 is equal to 0.2843. 5c2 10, p raised to 2, q raised to 3. Same way, P of x is equal to 3, 5c3, p raised to 3, q raised to 2. 0.7105 is equal to 5c3 10, p raised to 3, q raised to 2. This is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. This value is greater, so equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. 0.7105 is equal to 10, p raised to 3, q raised to 2. Divided by 0.2843 is equal to 10 p raised to 10 p raised to 2 q raised to 3. 0.7105 divided by 0.2843, that is 2.5. 10 cancel. P divided by Q. 2.5 Q is equal to P. 2.5 1 minus P is equal to P. 2.5 minus 2.5 P is equal to P. 2.5 is equal to 3.5 P. 2.5 divided by 3.5 is equal to P. P is equal to 5 divided by 7. This is your answer, 5 by 7. Next, 7, example number 7. For a binomial distribution with n is equal to 6, p of x is equal to 3 is equal to 0.0625, p of x is equal to 4 is equal to 0.1250. Find p. P of x is equal to ncx, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x. P of 3, 6c3, p raised to 3, q raised to 6 minus 3, that is 3. 0.0625, 6c3, 6, 5, 4 by 6, 20. 20 p raised to 3, q raised to 3. This is equation number 1. P of 4, 6c4, p raised to 4, q raised to 2. 0.1250 64. 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. 15. P raised to 4, Q raised to 2. This is equation number 2. Equation 2 is greater, so equation 2 divided by equation 1. 0.1250 is equal to P raised to 15 P raised to 4 Q raised to 2 divided 0.0625 is equal to 20 P raised to 3 Q raised to 3. 0.1250 divided by 0.0625, that is 2. 15 3s are P divided by 15 4s are 4Q. 4 सामने साइड जासे 8Q is equal to 3P. 8 1 minus P is equal to 3P. 8 minus 8P is equal to 3P. 8 is equal to 11P. 8 by 11 is equal to P. So P is equal to 0.73. This is your answer. 0.73. Next, last of this type, example number 8. The probability of getting 5 times an even number is double than the getting 4 times an even number. P of x is equal to 5 is equal to P of x is equal to 4. So કીધું છે આપણે even number ની probability, the probability of getting 5 times of even number is getting 4 times of even numbers. 5 times an even number is double than 4 times. એનાથી ડબલ છે. સો બેને ઇક્વલ કરવા હોય તો P of 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by P of 4. For a biased die, when it is thrown for 10 times, n is equal to P of x is equal to 5. P of x is equal to NCX, P raised to x, Q raised to n minus x. 10C5, P raised to 5, Q raised to 5. 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 divided by 5, 4, 3, 2. 252. 252 P raised to 5 Q raised to 5. P of x is equal to 4 is equal to 10C4 P raised to 4 Q raised to 6. 10C4. 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 by 6 by 7 by 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 divided by 4, 3, 2. 210. 210 P raised to 4 Q raised to 6. Relation is given. P of x is equal to 5 is equal to 2. P of x is equal to 4. 252 P raised to 5 Q raised to 5. 2 multiplied by 210 P raised to 4 Q raised to 6. P raised to 5 divided by P raised to 4. 2 multiplied by 210 divided by 252 Q raised to 4 divided by Q raised to 5. Q raised to 6 divided by Q raised to 5. So P is equal to 2 multiplied by 210 divided by 252, that is 1.67. 210 divided by 7, 252 divided by 7. 210 divided by 7, that is 30. 252 divided by 7, that is 36. 36 by 3, that is 12. 30, 36. 30 divided by 10, 30 divided by 6, 5, 6. So 10 by 6. Q. 6P is equal to 10Q. 6P, 10, 1 minus P. 6P is equal to 10 minus 10P. 6P plus 10P is equal to 10. 16P is equal to 10. P is equal to 10 by 16. So P is equal to 5 by 8. Q is equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 5 by 8, 3 by 8. Q is equal to 3 by 8. This is your answer. Here our type 5 is completed. In next session we will start our next type. Thank you.